All right, let's dive into a really big disconnect in the tech world. It's a problem that, slows down innovation and seriously frustrates companies. It's the gap between the tech talent they can find versus the mission-critical teams they need to build. And this quote, it just hits the nail on the head. See, the world doesn't just need more engineers. What it really needs is industry-ready engineering talent. It's not about a shortage of degrees on a wall. It's a shortage of people who can actually step into a complex project and start contributing from day one. So what is this industry-ready talent gap really? Well, think about it like this. Graduating with an engineering degree is like learning all the rules of a sport. But being industry-ready, that's like being able to play in a championship game on your very first day. There's a huge difference in the practical skills. And that is the exact gap we're talking about. So the big question is, how do you actually bridge that gap? And this brings us to a really interesting solution, a global workforce accelerator for engineering talent called TechDhaba. Now, what's really interesting is how they see themselves. They're not just another training institute or some kind of boot camp. Nope. They've actually come up with a whole new term for their approach. They call it a workforce accelerator. So what on earth does that mean? Well, it's a model that's built from the ground up to groom and upskill engineers into what they call bench-ready talent, professionals who are totally primed and ready to go for those complex, mission-critical product teams. And listen, they're not just talking about general software. Their specialty is in some of the most demanding, hardcore areas of tech out there. Embedded systems, the Linux kernel, device drivers, real-time operating systems, and even getting deep into semiconductor engineering. In these fields, being industry-ready isn't just a nice-to-have, it's an absolute must. Okay, so how do they actually pull this off? What makes their approach so different from, say, traditional training? Let's break down the TechDhaba way. This right here gets to their core philosophy. On one side, you have the old way, which they completely reject. Their motto is, we don't run classrooms. It's a total move away from that passive, theoretical kind of learning. On the other side is their approach. We build hands-on, production-ready engineers. The focus is 100% on active, practical application. You're building, not just sitting there listening. And all of this, everything they do, it all leads to one clear, really powerful goal. The whole point is to produce engineers who deliver a real, tangible impact from the very first day they join a project. No long ramp-up periods, no extensive handholding, just immediate, valuable contribution. Okay, that all sounds great in theory, right? But what about the proof? What's the actual, measurable impact of this whole model out there in the real world? Does it actually work?
And that, my friends, is where the data comes in. Let's take a look at the numbers that really back up these claims.
First up, let's talk about the sheer scale of their experience. More than 80,000 engineers have been trained through their programs. This is not some small boutique operation. This number speaks to a long, proven history and a massive amount of experience in developing talent. And what about right now? What are the recent results? Well, in just the last year alone, they've placed over 150 engineers directly into live active projects. That shows their model isn't just theory. It's actively feeding the industry with deployment-ready talent as we speak. And it's not just about the raw numbers. The qualitative feedback tells the exact same story. We're talking about reports of strong client success and feedback across global programs. This means the companies hiring this talent, they're really seeing that day one impact that was promised. So, let's bring this all together. If you're running a company that's building products, what does all this actually mean for you? How does this model accelerate your team's capability? The process is a super clear three-step service. First, they groom and upskill the engineers. Second, they build that bench-ready talent pool. And then, and this is crucial, third, they provide ongoing deployment and consulting support. So this isn't just a one-off training course. It's a complete end-to-end talent pipeline. So what's the ultimate business outcome here? What's the bottom line? It's pretty simple. Their partners don't just learn new skills, they scale their entire operation faster. By solving that talent bottleneck, they literally unlock growth. So the core message is this. The whole idea behind partnering with a workforce accelerator like TechDhaba is to create an environment where your teams just get stronger and your company's entire engineering capability just accelerates forward. And that leaves us with one final thought to really chew on. If your teams could completely bypass